Hey guys, Dave here with Factory 5 Racing. Today we're taking a look at our all-new and improved stainless steel side pipes. So these launched with the Mark V Roadster launch earlier in 2025. We got a lot of feedback from the community, so we made some changes to these pipes. The biggest one being they're about 6 decibels quieter. The way we achieved that is with a longer muffler. These mufflers, they're about 3.5 inches longer than the previous generation mufflers. They're a glass pack still, so you still get that great sound, just a little bit quieter. We also changed the angle of the tip. The tips are turned down a little bit more. They help with sound disbursement and things like that. We also improved the thickness of the wall of the stainless here. So again, heat dispersion, performance, and sound have all been improved with these pipes. As far as fitment goes, these are available for the Mark 1 through 4 Roadsters and the Mark V. The only thing that changes is the hardware. Now the hardware is included with these side pipes, so you get your stainless steel hangers, your rubber exhaust mounts, and your graphite 4x4 gaskets. Now these are made to go between our J-pipes, long tube stainless headers, or catalytic converter headers. For your best fit, you're gonna be looking at the long tube stainless headers, but again, they're really made to go up to any of our Factory 5 parts there, so you'll be good to go. The only compatibility issue you might have is with the 289 Roadster. The 289 has specific side pipes, so these aren't directly a bolt-on option. However, with some modification, it is possible. So that's also an option for your 289 guys out there. Overall, these look incredible, they sound incredible, and they fit perfectly on your Roadster. They do yellow over time, just like stainless does when it gets hot and cold. However, with a little bit of polishing, you can get these looking brand new every time you go out on the road. So, if you're looking for a little bit quieter option, show off your Roadster exhaust a little bit, these are a great choice for all of your Roadster builds.